Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific vehicle or anything else we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan with just over 100,000 miles on it, guys. This is a local trade-in and it's in very good condition. Definitely does not show the miles. As you can see, it is black exterior in color. Starting off on the front, I don't notice any major dents. I don't see any dents at all on the hood. Maybe a couple rock chips on the hood on the front there, but very, very, very minor. Really nice 16-inch alloy Dodge factory rim, wrapped in a Michelin tire. Looks like the tire has, I would say, 50 to 60% tread depth left in it, so plenty of tread depth to get you through at least 1 or 2 years. As you can see walking around this vehicle, all in all, it's in really good condition. The previous owner did take very good care of it. There is one small spot right there above the passenger side rear wheel. And with this vehicle, it comes with a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor, which is going to give you over 30 miles per gallon on the highway, which is phenomenal fuel economy when it comes to a 7-passenger vehicle. On the driver's side door, it does have power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Cloth interior, as you can see there, the driver's side seems to be very good condition as far as the seat goes. And the floorboard, same as the seat. It's not wore out. You can definitely tell they took care of it. This vehicle is equipped with power foot pedestals right there. You can raise and lower the foot pedals. On the steering wheel on the left-hand side, you have the option to change your display settings, which is located right here. It'll show you a bunch of different stuff in there, from your trip to your miles per gallon, even the temperature outside. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you do have all your cruise control settings. And then on the back of the right-hand side, you have the option of increasing and decreasing the volume of the radio. And then on the left-hand side, you can also change your radio station on the back of the steering wheel. AM FM radio, you do have a CD player and an auxiliary button also up top. You can program up to 6 radio stations on this vehicle, and the radio does work as it's supposed to. Dual climate controls on this, so you can set the passenger and the driver at 2 different temperatures if you like, and it'll blow out in them zones at different temperatures, and you can increase and decrease your speed right here in the center. This vehicle also is equipped with rear AC and heat controls located right here. That also can be operated from the rear of the van, which we'll show you in a minute. Passenger seat, just like the front, all in all in really, really good condition. Not wore out. It definitely does not show, considering it does have 100,000 miles on it. And same with the floorboard. Large storage compartment in between the driver and passenger seating. Small cubby hole up front with 2 12-volt DC plugs. Cup holders in between that, and then right behind that you do have another spot for small knickknacks. It does have a mirror built in up top in between the driver and passenger seat, as you can see there, so you can see everybody in the back seat while driving down the road. You no longer have to turn around and look at your passengers. You can just lower that down and see your passengers right from that mirror. This vehicle is also equipped with power sliding doors on the side, as you can see up there on those buttons. By simply pushing those 2 buttons, the power doors do open. This vehicle is equipped with stow and go seating, so these 2 center seats can fold flat into the floor. Right in here is where they fold into, and you can store them down there. If you do need to haul a large object, you can store them in the floor, and you'll have plenty of rear space for that. Or you can also use these little compartments down here, as you can see, for storage if needed. back here up top, in between the captain's chairs, this is where you would operate your rear heat and AC controls. And there is vents located along the ceiling, as you can see there, all the way around this van. And just like the two front seats, the back seat seems to be in very good condition. The floorboard barely looks like it's ever even been used. It's not wore out at all. As far as the rear of the van goes, you have a very large storage compartment back here in the back, so you can haul whatever you need to do for your day-to-day travels. Or also, this rear bench does lay flat down in this compartment down here, so you have a very large section for storage. Just like the center with the stow and go, you can fold this flat into the floor, and you can haul sheets of plywood or whatever it may be you need to store back here. This vehicle does have a power rear tailgate in the back also. Like I said, it does have power sliding doors. All in all, extremely nice vehicle. It's a 2012 Dodge Caravan. It has just over 100,000 miles on it. Tires seem to be in good shape. All in all, just an extremely nice vehicle. If you're looking for a great deal on a Dodge Caravan, this may be the one for you. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this in a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And like always, for the guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned vehicle, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.